The December inflation report came out the other day, and inflation increased from a rate of 2.2 to 2.4%, which was larger than expected. However, there was some encouraging news, as shelter costs, for instance, decreased down to 2.1%, marking its lowest rate of decrease since 2022, and on the backs of some lower interest rates that we've been seeing as of late. The lower shelter costs, as well as other downward trending CPI items, are why the market initially reacted positive to this inflation report. Now, when you dig a little bit deeper, the inflation story isn't as soft as it initially appeared, as some key categories are still putting upwards pressure on inflation. Overall, the Bank of Canada seems to think that inflation still isn't fully under control. Now, even though we're seeing a decrease in some inflation metrics, I think it's still too early to assume that we're on the cusp of lower interest rates or we've claimed victory. However, the data points that the Bank of Canada should keep rates as they are, at least in the near future. If you have any questions or would like to chat, feel free to reach out today.